Oh, the tale of Wojtek is one of those incredible stories that sound more like a whimsical fairy tale than a chapter pulled straight from the annals of history. Picture this: a young Syrian brown bear, adopted by Polish two-corps soldiers in the mountains of Iran, catapults from a cuddly cub to a corporal in the army, assisting his human comrades in the thick of World War II. This story not only tugs at the heartstrings, but also tickles the funny bone with its sheer improbability and delightful details. Our story begins in the spring of 1942 when the Anders army, with thousands of Polish civilians in tow, trekked their way to Iran after a grueling journey from the Soviet Union. It was here, amidst the backdrop of war and displacement, that a young Iranian boy introduced a Polish soldier to Voytek, a bear cub who had recently lost his mother to hunters. Enamored by the cub's irresistible charm, Irina Bokiewicz, an 18-year-old Polish civilian, persuaded the soldiers to adopt him. And thus, Wojtek found himself in the care of the Polish army, marking the start of an extraordinary journey. In the subsequent months, Wojtek seamlessly integrated into the soldiers' life, mirroring their habits, from drinking beer to saluting and indulging in cigarettes, a habit as peculiar as it sounds. His diet, a quirky mix of condensed milk, marmalade, and later beer, and his affinity for wrestling with the soldiers, not only endeared him to his fellow comrades, but also made him a beloved mascot. As the bear grew, so did his legend. Weighing a whopping 90 kilograms by the time of the Battle of Monte Cassino, Wojtek was no longer just a mascot, but an active participant in the war effort. Facing the logistical nightmare of transporting a bear across to Italy for the next phase of their campaign, the Polish soldiers ingeniously enlisted Wojtek into the army as a private, complete with a paybook and rank. It's a detail that adds a touch of humor and ingenuity to the story, showcasing the lengths to which the soldiers went to keep Wojtek by their side. Wojtek's most celebrated moment came during the Battle of Monte Cassino, where he was said to have carried ammunition crates, a task that would normally require 4 men. This act of valor transcended the bounds of a simple war anecdote, earning him a promotion to corporal and solidifying his place in military lore. The visual of a bear, diligently carrying ammunition amidst the chaos of war, presents a surreal but striking image of loyalty and bravery. After the war, Wojtek's transition from a soldier to a civilian, or more accurately, an Edinburgh Zoo resident, is a poignant chapter of his life. His popularity continued to soar, with visits from journalists, former soldiers, and appearances on BBC television's Blue Peter program. His ability to respond to Polish years after his service underscored not just the intelligence of this remarkable bear, but also the deep bonds formed between him and the Polish soldiers. Wojtek's story, culminating in his peaceful passing in 1963, encompasses a breadth of themes from the absurdity and camaraderie found in war to the undeniable bond that can form between humans and animals. His life serves as a testament to the unpredictable and often surreal experiences that punctuate human history. Reflecting on his journey from a lost cub in the mountains of Iran to a British zoo celebrity elicits a spectrum of emotions, from amusement to admiration, a powerful reminder that even in the midst of human conflict, there's room for stories of hope, friendship, and the sheer unpredictability of life. If this video was helpful, please smash the like button and tell me what you would like to see in our next Bookly video in the comment section below. This has been another Bookly Crash Course.